here it's a pen tool design. I will take the angle there and radical as well. So let's explore the options. I will take it that designs. So use some different features to explore that one. We are taking the designs shapes as well. So there we are, choose a paint there using that pattern stamp.